Breaking news. You don't want a ordinary meal, right? And boring and ordinary combined. Okay, how about this? Make a simple onion that is spicy, sweet lime onions. You can put it on anything, and suddenly your ordinary or ordinary meal is no longer ordinary. Should I register that? I think I should. Trademark it. Here's one of my hacks for making a boring meal not boring or ordinary. So this is a sweet and spicy lime onion. Start off with a hot pan and some melted butter, about 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna melt it right in there. And then take a whole onion, slice it up, and throw it in there. Now, you can make this ahead of time. It's kind of like an onion relish in a way. You could make it a day ahead, 2 days ahead, whatever. It's just nice. Make a bunch of it, and then you have it on hand. Because I'm a big believer. You come home, you're tired. You just want you want go-to things to enhance it, so you're not bored. There you go. Okay, we got a tablespoon of sugar, and then we're going to put a little bit of salt in there as well. It takes about 10 minutes to cook these onions, maybe 12 tops. We're caramelizing them. This is the transformation. And then squeeze a whole lime. First one half, then the other, some paprika, and there you have it. No more ordinary.